right, boys and girls, yesterday you had a chance to practice some real world math problems, multi-step. And today I want to show you a method that you might find helpful to remember to do everything and make sure that you are using all of the pieces of information that you're needed to get the answer to your problem. This is actually called the cubed method. Cubed method. And of course, this is just like I do it at school, where I find something that sticks in my brain when I have like a word or some way to remember everything. And the word that we're using is cubed. Okay, so C-U-B-E-D. And these are just the steps to solving word problems. Okay, so the C is going to stand for, what you should do first is circle all your numbers, right? And of course, before you could even do that, I guess you could circle all the numbers first, but they're assuming that you've read the problem once before you start the C. And for U, we're going to underline important information. All right, so we're circling the numbers, we're underlining important information, and the B stands for box around the question. What are they asking you to do? What do they want to find an answer to? What they're looking for that, they want you to box, you should box it. E, and this isn't always the case, but this is eliminate unnecessary information, right? I told you that sometimes they will put pieces of information in the story problem just to make the story problem make sense, but some of it is not necessary. You have to use to solve. And then lastly is draw a picture or use some other way to solve. Okay, so you are eliminating, and I'll just do that, and drawing. So you're circling all the numbers, you're underlining important information, you're boxing around the question, you're eliminating unnecessary information if there is any, and then you're drawing a picture using some other way to solve. Okay, you're not just solving it in your head, is that point of that, the drawing a picture. So looking at that, I can't see it, but that's okay. We're going to try a problem, okay? And I'm going to turn to purple. And here it says, there are 12 pieces of gum in each package of Crazy Gum. Joey bought 3 packs of the gum, but lost 4 pieces. How many pieces does he have left? Okay, I'm going to use the cube method. My goodness, my watch is going crazy. There's 12... and a 3 and a 4. I don't know yet if I need all of that, but those are all the numbers, okay? So I did that. Underline important information. So I need to reread this and figure out what is important. So there's 12 pieces of gum in each package. So 12 in each package. 12 in each package of Crazy Gum. Joey bought 3 packs of the gum, but he lost 4 pieces of the gum. How many pieces does he have left? Okay, so I've underlined important information. Box around the question. The question is, how many pieces does he have left? So I boxed around that. Eliminate unnecessary information. There's really not very much information here that's unnecessary. I mean, yeah, we don't need the people's names or things like that. We don't need to know what kind of gum it is, but there's no like long sentences in here that are going to need to be eliminated. So we don't need to do that. And then finally, draw a picture, use some other way to solve. Okay, so what I do, and the way that I solve this is, I could draw pictures, okay? And remember, there's lots of different ways to solve word problems. So what I'm doing, you might have it a different way in your head, and that's totally fine as long as we come to the same answer at the end. But what I need to do is I just need to kind of pull the information out, okay? So I know that there are 12 pieces of gum in a package. I know that Joey has 3. Okay, 3 packages. So if there's 12 pieces in a package and Joey has 3 packages, I could do 12 plus 12 plus 12, right? Or what else could I do? Repeated addition is also multiplication. So 12 times 3, and that equals 36. So I know that Joey has right now 36 pieces of gum. Oops, I don't know what's going on. My pencil's not working very well. Okay, and then I'm not done though, right? Because I still have another number that I haven't played with. So Joey bought 3 packs, so Joey has 36 pieces. But then he lost 4 pieces. So lost, that word is going to tell me that if it's gone, if it disappeared, that I would need to subtract it. So I'm going to take 36 and I'm going to subtract 4 from that. And that's going to bring me to 32. So what does that 32 represent? The 32 represents 32 pieces of gum left. Okay? Now, I'll show you this in just another way, just because I did say that word problems can be solved in a variety of ways. If we wanted to draw pictures of this, it would look something like this. And I apologize, there's not very much room, so it's going to get a little tight. But if I know that there are 12 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So I have, that's 1 pack of gum. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's 3 packs of gum. I could figure out how many that is by knowing that this is 12 pieces, this is 12 pieces, and this is 12 pieces. And they're nowhere near close to scale. They're not beautiful. They're not perfect, but you get the gist of it. Okay, so I have all of these, and I know that 12 plus 12 plus 12 equals 36. But then he lost 4 pieces. So if I were to cross these out, I could still count the squares with my drawing to figure out that then I end up with 32 pieces of gum left. So today I'm going to have you do some more practice problems, and I just want you to try a method, okay? And if you can, try another way. Can you try to come up with 2 different ways to solve a problem? That's going to be your challenge for today.